You've probably felt it, things costing a little more each year. That quiet rise in prices has a name: inflation. It's the hidden tax that steals your money while you sleep. Inflation doesn't take your money, it takes your buying power. Every dollar today buys a little less tomorrow. When more money is printed or borrowed into existence, each dollar becomes less valuable. It's not your imagination, it's math. Savers feel it first. While their account balance looks steady, prices rise quietly around them. The real value of their savings falls every year. Investors see inflation differently. They buy assets that rise in value as prices rise: real estate, watches, businesses, things that hold substance. You can't stop inflation, but you can outpace it by owning assets that produce income and appreciate over time. At Perpetual Investment Group, we help investors turn inflation from enemy to ally by owning what inflation can't devalue: real assets. Inflation is a tax you don't vote for, but you can outsmart it. Subscribe for weekly lessons that make money simple, practical, and powerful. Because wealth isn't rushed, it's refined.